Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. As you can see, I'm home alone today. Miss Ninja is not here, so I'm gonna be cooking this beautiful round steak for you guys. This is something that I do in a completely different way. I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but it's awesome and I'm ready for it, man. As never, I'm gonna be cooking and filming and doing everything else, and this ninja here is gonna help me. So let's go for it. Alright, boys and girls, preparation for this steak is gonna be really easy. Look at this beautiful steak. The first thing we're gonna do is just put a little bit of oil on it so the spices get stuck in there. Have a teaspoon of garlic powder. Have a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika. And for good measurement, let's put a little bit of red pepper. Ooh, this one's gonna be good, guys. A little bit of salt. We're gonna use this one, which is for the grill, and I love it because it's a little bit thick, as you can see. And of course, pepper. Perfect. Make sure all the spices are everywhere. And for example, here, there's not a lot of powder in there, so let's make sure it's in there. How do you like it? I love it. Alright, boys and girls, this baby is already hot, so let's put a little bit of oil on it. It's gonna be about 1 tablespoon of oil. And let's put our steak in there. Let's see. Oh, as Miss Ninja say, you hear that? That's good. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna brown this baby around 100%. We're gonna leave it there like about 2 minutes, and let's wait for it to brown. Then we're gonna turn it around the other side, and we're gonna do that with all the sides. So let's go for it. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's turn it around the other side. Look at that color already, guys. This is already looking good. Let's give it 2 minutes there. Now put it on the side. I want that section there to be cooked too. This is looking good. You see all that in there? All that is flavor, guys. Let's give it 2 minutes on this side. And now let's give it 2 more minutes on the other side. I'm gonna put it there where the oil is. Oh yeah, baby. Set this baby out. Man, it's heavy. Now we're gonna put 3/4 of a cup of water in there, and we're gonna get ready now, guys, for the pressure cooking. Woohoo! All right, guys, we have this baby already browned. Look at this beauty, and we're gonna set up our pressure cooker. Come over, let me show you. It's gonna be pressure cook. We have our lid in here. Let's put it on. Yep, and we're gonna put it on high, and we're gonna put the time to 35 minutes, baby. Let's go for it. Well, as you can see, this is already set up, and I'll see you back in 35 minutes. Alright guys, 35 minutes passed by already, so let's make a quick release. Alright, the pin is down. Let's open this baby up and see what's going on. Guys, dinner is ready, and this thing, I think it came out awesome. Do you see the presentation? Do you like it, man? That look amazing, man. I love every single part of it. And of course, I'm gonna give it a good try right now, but I have to save the rest for when Miss Ninja comes. So let's give it a good try and let's see how it came out. Man, I'm so excited. So good. Let me get a piece of tomato, a piece of cheese, a little bit of green. Okay, I have it all in here. All right, guys, I'm ready for this one. Let's give it a good try. Let's see what happens. Let's try with the tomato. A little bit of green and the meat. Let's see. The flavors, guys. The flavor is amazing. I have to tell you this. This is not my idea. This is something that Miss Ninja created, and she told me everything, but she had to leave. And man, it's a great, great idea. This is awesome. It tastes amazing. Let me try the cheese. Oh. It's really tender. As you know, the chuck is a fiber piece of meat. So the fibers are awesome. It's really tender. The flavor is there. Everything is awesome in here, guys. Man, I'm not gonna give it delicious just because Miss Ninja is not here, but this is amazing, man. You guys need to try it. And of course, with the presentation and the whole amount of flavors we have here all together, man, this is amazing. This is nothing short but delicious. I'm just not gonna give it to you because Miss Ninja is not here. So there you have it, guys. That's pretty much everything we have for you today. If you like it, please hit it with a like. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel. And if you have anything in mind, anything to say, any complaint, any idea, any recipe, whatever you want to say, guys, put it down there in the comments. Remember that I love you. Oh man, the flavors. Look how tender this is. Look. You don't need the knife. Look at this. Look at this. Come out hard. Oh, brother.